How to configure FuncAnimation, dynamic plotting from matplotlib.animation, to numpy arrays? I have some issues with the FuncAnimation function of matplotlib. I can't configure it to my code. I hope someone could help me. This is a diffusion equation. I need to plot it for each step of the time. At each step, the result of the calculation is a numpy array. I managed to plot it in a dynamic way with matplotlib.interactive true, but it is very laggy. I read that FuncAnimation can deal with that problem, but I did not manage to have it working with results in lists or arrays. Here is the code with a classic slow plot. It produces a vector of vectors, u, which are plotted after all calculations. And here is my try of making turn the FuncAnimation with the previous code. Big fail. NB, you can tense the arrays of results calculated for each steps. That produces a lot of errors. Maybe someone can set it up for the previous code. I hope I'm clear. Sorry for my English, and thank you for your help.
Your init function isn't right. It should be. You also don't need to convert the numpy slice to a list.
FuncAnimation expects an iterable to return from init and update. Try this.
I ran into a similar error, and I fixed it by adding a comma. For some reason this fixed it. You don't need the trailing comma if you have more than one object you're returning. Bloody cryptic error message, if you ask me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.